All right, let's see. Another thing, so with Advertising Boost, they're partnered with a travel company called Book VIP. Book VIP is it's a travel site that has built over 17,000 online reviews. It's one of the uh, fastest growing online uh, travel sites in the world, they say. So anyway, with Book VIP, when you go through them to buy a vacation, you have to go to a timeshare. Well, since they fulfill the vacation vouchers, they do not require a timeshare presentation with this program. Now, the way they make their money is they try to upsell your client on a time. Upsell them, whether it be like I'll give you an example. Like if you were to go to Orlando, they'll give you 2 tickets to, or they'll try to upgrade you into a timeshare presentation to where you get 2 free tickets to Universal Studios. So, and like I said, you can accept or deny it. That's one of the things, and that you can do. It's you let your client kind of determine if that's worth it to them. If they get 2 free tickets to Universal Studios, is that worth an hour and a half timeshare presentation? Like in Orlando, they'll give you 2 free tickets to one of the Cirque du Soleil Cirque du Soleil performances. So you just kind of and those are about $100 a piece. So that's a $200 value on top of a free hotel stay, and all they had to do is pay taxes on it and go to a timeshare presentation. Plus, most of their food's paid for with the dining incentive. So you can see the value in this. And of course, they can decline the timeshare. They can decline the upgrade. It's not a high pressure upgrade, so that's not a big deal for that. For your client to decline. Let's see. And of course, you can give unlimited certificates. Once your client receives a certificate, they have 7 days. They have 7 days to redeem the voucher. But if it's a travel incentive, they can plan it out up to 18 months ahead of time. So they don't have to travel in 7 days. They just have to redeem the voucher. And it's not a big deal if they miss it. Yeah, okay, here it is. You have at least 18 months to travel. The 7 days only pertains to the activation. If they miss the activation, you can send them another one. It's not a problem. Here's the taxes. $19.45 a night, and the Mexico ones are $19.70 a night. So it's still a heck of a deal. And let's see. You cannot resell the certificates, neither can your clients. You can use these certificates yourself. You can use certificates for your for your office staff. So you can use that to motivate your employees as well. Make lifelong employees. So okay. With the Mexico resorts, instead of upgrading you, when they call to upgrade, they will actually try to sell you an all-inclusive plan. So sometimes that's kind of worth it, the all-inclusive plans. I think, it's $199 on top of the taxes, and then it's all-inclusive. So that's still a good deal, because you can't book a hotel and all-inclusive stay in for less than $1,000. Yeah, it's an additional $1,000, no doubt about it. So okay. And something that's pretty important. Where will your clients be staying? Most of the U.S. locations will be the Westgate affiliates, Wild Bear or River Trace in Gatlinburg, Westgate, the Bahama House in Daytona, Myrtle Beach is Westgate, and then here are the Mexico ones, different resorts here. All right, so now with resources, this is really nice here. You can go here, you got tons of videos. And look at all these videos here that you can use in your marketing campaigns as well. When you sign up, you actually get one free video customization, which is really awesome. Let's see, health and, let's look for medical, there it is. So like here's one video here, let's see if it'll let me play it while I'm screen recording. Yeah. So you can use this not only to reward your clients, but you can actually generate some new leads with this. All right, so I received the email finally. It took, I think, about 17 minutes or something like that. So as you can see here, the front part of the email will actually show your business name, and then of course this will be from the vacation site. The vacations are fulfilled through Book VIP, and it gives you the specifics here of the 3-night vacation at the Bahama House in Daytona, Florida, with compliments of your business. Then, of course, for the your client to activate the vacation, they need to click here. Then they'll set up. It'll be transferred over to the Book VIP. They have 7 days to activate the voucher. They can, of course, they have 18 months to come up with their travel dates. So but they do have to use the voucher within 7 days. And then, of course, they can click there. And that's how the vacations are sent. And you can send, if a client fails to do it within 7 days, it's not a problem. You can just send them another one if they ask you. It's not a big issue. It's only an issue if they do not use it in 7 days and they never call you back. So, okay, so hopefully that explains everything in a manner step by step that everyone can follow.